if you were to summarize, your thoughts and the importance of the book for the viewers of this video, and sort of say, this is why this book is right for you and your team, how would you kind of summarize that?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think to anyone that has great aspirations of growth and an impact, whatever they're doing, whether it's private or public or charitable organization, whatever it is, if they have great aspirations of building something great and impact, it's really taxing on you and the people that's building it with you. And I think of it metaphorically, like in many ways, we're all like a battery powered car that has incredible ability to do things and go great distances and get to our end goals or our BHAGs. But if you don't keep it charged up all the time,
right,
you're generally going to be no good at work, or mediocre or underpowered at work, and not have a lot of energy left for your life and for your family and your friends. And so we have a responsibility to stay charged up and strong and resilient, so we can continue to do awesome stuff at work and for our family and friends as well, and enjoy our life. But it's hard. Like if you don't consciously have a plan to continue to stay energized and charged, i.e. finding all the charging stations along your journey, you're most likely going to bonk, give up, or even get to a point where it's too hard and you can't see a way forward. So you're going to, bail out in some way. And then it's not any fun because if you're drained all the time. So there are ways to do it. It still will be hard, but there's ways to enjoy it a lot of the time. Still rough patches, and get, if you do it right, to structure and engineer it right, so that it gives you good energy and lots of intrinsic reward from all the good stuff you're doing. But if you're not charged, you're not going to have your best thinking, your best capability, or be able to grow to become whatever your vision for yourself is, or for your organization is. It's going to be hard. It's going to be harder than it needs to.
Well said.